What's that? Did you do this? What is this? Look at it. Freaking ridiculous, Cassius. Look at that guilty face. You know what you did. Look at you.
Get over here, Fritz.
What did you
do? What? Get over here.
You were a bad girl. The pencils.
I'm very disappointed in you. You know you're not supposed to be up there.
At home, and this is the mess that I find. So of course, when I'm gonna go and find the guilty one,
That little dummy.
okay, I do not understand who is guilty. Either she is or she is. Which one has the evidence?
I really wonder, Mom.
I'm just wondering which one has the evidence. Huh.